जो एजेंडा आशिल्लो न्ही खूब व्हडलो एजेंडा आशिल्लो. सो वी हॅव बीन ओनली एबल टू कंप्लीट वन पार्ट ऑफ द अर्लियर एजेंडा ओनली आनी थोडे आयचे एजेंडा. आनी दुसरे हातूंत आमी वचपाकूच शकली नात बिकॉज इतली लांबली सगळी मिटींग. कळ्ळें न्ही तुका.
रुटीन अजेंडा आशिल्लो लास्ट मिटींग आमची जाल्ली पळय ही एजेंडा वी हॅव टेकन ए डिसिजन. फर्स्ट इज वी हॅव डेलिगेटेड द पावर्स. बारीक मनशांक त्रास जावचे न्ही. जो पळय एक घर बांदता, सिंगल ड्वेलिंग युनिट बांदता, कंपाऊंड हॉल बांदता, असले पळय ज्यो फायल्स आसा वी हॅव ऑथोरायज मेंबर सेक्रेटरी टू इश्यू एंड देन सबसिक्वेंटली पुट इट फॉर रेक्टिफिकेशन इन द नेक्स्ट ऑथॉरिटी मिटींग. म्हणजे तितले प्रश्न प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातलो. कोणाचें पेंडींग आसा नासलो दॅट फटाफट ताजें क्लियर करपाक मेळटा. कोठाराचे देर इज सम हायकोर्ट मॅटर. हायकोर्टान दे हॅव टू फायल अ रिप्लाय इन द हायकोर्ट. दॅट दे वील गो एज पर द लॉ. Whatever it is.
We are decided today in the 30 meeting we are going for demolition.
So demolition of?
Demolition of whatever the illegalities are there.
In the
Even that annex building also. Show cause notice under section 52 we will issue that compound wall is illegal and then the booking counter canopy and all those things. Certain things they have replied and the height and all those things. That we have checked up, height is okay of that building, but remaining things are illegal, that setback area, generators and all is kept. So we are going for issuing a demolition.
The agenda was rather long, so many people could not wait for so long, so we have adjourned some part of the meeting. Okay, but the main thing is like the STPDA market complex at Rusgaon Tisk. Now that it was built in 1993 and it is in rather dilapidated state. So we have proposed to have an inspection in that area, okay, with the members, some of the members, to see if and they will see about to reconstruct the market with a full master plan, okay, and accordingly we will put it up to